John Hizumikazania. Drawing pencil, I use these Artist Lo-Fi Gayusa. Artist. So you guys watch Wonder Priority Act? Thank you. Wonder Priority Act egg. 아니. Anime higa tamtoga. Anime addicted kami. Anime addicted. No. Sunshine ra du sal. John this one Angelina Jolie katwa to mama se kaswai to mama se realistic katiam la katiam tok lawa. I like girls, so this one is Darling on the fence. These all are just I painted myself. Yes, I did all of this. I painted myself. It looks so stupid, but yeah. Oh, it's all girls. It's all girls. Watercolor any. My favorite would be digital. Digital hiccup favorite anya. Asanjo is easier. Easier daw. Hihitsu. This one is with I think it was black and white anya. Hihitsu. Kasi Ito lang. Jimin Shi ani. It looks so ugly. I cannot know. Yeek. See? I'm just trying to draw myself, but it looks so stupid. Someone said recover your nail polish. Yeah. Okay, bro. Atleo. This. Anyway. This. Jimin 아니야 맛에 그때 되려. This was. Oh my bad. My bad. Oh, I remember this. From high school like swimming이야. 튀어나왔다. Ugh, disgusting. 이거 high school 다니. Face. This one is also from high school. I don't know. Where is it? Oh my god. I don't remember this. I can't. It's too big. It's not good. I don't like it. This looks ugly. I can't show y'all this. Lisa. Rose. Mase atangta. Ugh, it looks so ugly. Love you. Bye. Bye. And then, okay, this one is my favorite. Jimin, this is watercolor. Watercolor niya. Saki kato ani. Yeah, this one I don't know. imagination. And then, yeah, Jiminy. And then this one. Alina and Jin. Alina and Jin 언니. Sure. Oh no. Whole moving castle. Get my say. This is my poetry. And then these are ugly. Yeah. That's it. Okay. This one it looks so ugly. It's watercolor and yeah. Look at Levi Agaman. Levi Agaman no more. This is not Levi Agaman. This is Levi. I don't even know. But yeah, Naruto. I never finish anything. So yeah. Didn't even realize until I show you guys. 마세이죠 페인팅은이야. 간발에. 페인팅은이. 페인팅. 태블릿 나좀. It's okay. 태블릿 나면. Sukuna. I draw myself and Stray Kid Hyunjin 언니. fan art 언니. 게임아 현진. Fan art 언니야. Damn. Okay. Oh my god. No. Okay. Fan art 언니야. And then no. I can't show you guys this. He Gateshilong. I'm not done yet. Yeah, he's my bias too. You know, when you're Nezuko and Zenitsu. 네. 또한 he Minlo bye day. Bye. He that's gone in Killua, my babies. Babies Ania. My babies. Realistic though, mama say it looks so stupid. He Armin from Attack on Titan, but I'm trying to make realistic, but I don't know, it doesn't work. Okay, that's it. Anyway, affair 성능은 lại trong này chấm em cái chấm Oh wow. Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh. What is this? What are those? Oh my god. Okay. Bye guys.